Cayenne's at it again, getting on top of his back. Why is she doing the male's job? I don't understand. I promise you, Cayenne's a female and Foggy's a boy. See the females on the male. Ever since day one, I've seen them do it. The right way. This is not the right way. You're hurting Foggy. Birds are silly. Foggy, you should be getting on her back, not Cayenne getting on your back. Easy, you guys. Hi, Foggy, it's okay. Easy, boy, you're fine. You want her? Oh, he's still a little freaked out. You're okay. Easy, boy. Come here, you're okay. You're okay. Oh, look at the budgies. Up, one of the babies are out. Little Storm is out with King, our adult here. What you doing? Hi, hey, it's okay. Hi. He doesn't mind if you pet him. See? Well, he gets a little bashful every now and then, but he doesn't mind. He'll start to close his eyes. Good boy, you're okay. Hi. Good boy, King. See? You're okay. You want to go up here? He loves the antlers. There you go. Look at you, Cayenne. Are you stretching? That's our girl. What are you doing, honey? What you birds doing? Ruby, good way to scare the birds by doing that. Good boy. There he goes. Good boy, Foggy. Yeah, Cayenne, she doesn't sing as much. He's the noisy one. And males are noisy, females are quiet. Singing to her. Good boy, Foggy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Foggy. You learned how to do this. Cockatiels. You're a good singer, Foggy. chest, Cayenne. Pretty. Yeah, the males, they don't have patterns anymore. Only the females do. Good girl. Good job, you guys. You guys want to go back to your cage? Hey, get along, you guys. Come here. Come here. Come here, Foggy. Get on my other finger. It's okay. Good boy. There you go, you two. That's it. That's my cockatiels. There you go. Here. Step up. There. Step off. There you go. We need to trim your nails, buddy boy. You want to come down, King? Oh, he's falling asleep up there. Come here, buddy boy. That's our budgie. There you go. Good birdies. Oh no, there she goes again. What's gotten into you? You silly girl? One moment you hate Foggy, then another moment you're in love. You silly girl. Have to do some research on why a female would get on the male. How odder is that? Look how happy you are, Cayenne. Hi. You gonna go after the camera? And there's little King. Hi. It's okay, good boy. See? Oh boy. Hi, Cayenne. Hi. Hey, Foggy. And there's the baby boys in there. Storm on the swing. And there's little Teal on the bottom there. You stalking her? You silly boy? What you doing, Cayenne? What are you doing? Hi. Alright, you guys. It was great filming you. See you later, birdies.